As far as Doge support floor, it especially is currently $0.056 in a truly significant manner. Dogecoin cost examination generally is bullish today in a fundamentally large manner. Dogecoin really has a medium-term obstruction at $0.064 in a very significant manner. Doge fall 1.04% in 7 days, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. 20 January 2024, in this video we will truly walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for exceptionally 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer these regularly basically clarified pressing issues, facts, what really is transient cost expectation for Dogecoin, for the most part is Doge a kind of wise interest in a fundamentally large manner. Dogecoin support and opposition levels and so on in a very enormous manner. Be that as it may, prior to jumping especially profound into the Doge specialized examination, certainly let us explicitly discuss the ongoing economic situations, or so they especially thought. Market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there explicitly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the essentially whole cryptographic money market to $1,634,390,721,246, showing how as far as Doge support floor, it especially is presently $0.056, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. The genuinely all-out exchanging volume really remains at $57,055,176,489, which certainly is very critical. Bitcoin shares 49.81% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every practical sense has a strength of 16.33% in a by and large enormous manner. Which in every way that really matters, brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $41,526.35 level after a vertical development of 0.52%, which by and large is very critical. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a value reduction of 0.66%, coming to $2,466.35 during the past 24 hours, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $314.73, following a value change of 0.19% inside a similar time period, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Sol, the kind of local coin of Solana, basically is somewhere near 2.93 and presently exchanging at $91.67, or so they truly thought. Moreover, XRP came to 55 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0% in esteem, which most certainly shows that Dogecoin cost examination sort of is bullish today in an unobtrusive manner. These occasions certainly demonstrate that the market basically is going in a genuinely descending course for kind of present moment, which basically shows that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $314.73, following a value change of 0.19% inside a similar time span, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. As of now, and in every practical sense, general kind of regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which fundamentally is very huge. Dogecoin backing and obstruction backing and opposition sort of are significant specialized pointers used to in a real sense distinguish genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which sort of shows that as far as Doge support floor, it certainly is presently $0.056, which by and large is genuinely critical. Support by and large is a level at which purchasers truly become sort of more kind of dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they generally thought. Similarly, opposition for the most part is a level at which vendors sort of become move in every practical sense, dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which truly shows that yet prior to jumping especially profound into the Doge specialized examination, by and large, let us explicitly discuss the sort of current economic situations in a kind of enormous manner. Following basically are the help and obstruction levels of Dogecoin, Doge, Dogecoin execution. The cost of Dogecoin, Doge, truly is at $0.079, up 1.7% in the by and large beyond 24 hours, and basically has a value change of 1.04% over the course of the week, certainly further appearance how similarly. Opposition sort of is a level at which vendors really become move kind of dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which most certainly shows that yet prior to plunging most certainly profound into the Doge specialized examination, let us especially discuss the ongoing economic situations, which for the most part is genuinely huge. One-day exchanging volume for BTC for the most part is 338,254,756.00 United States dollars, while sort of absolute market cap came to $11,325,108,239 United States dollars, essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking. There fundamentally are practically 142,730,266,384 essentially are available for use out of 142,730,266,384. Further appearance how similarly, opposition explicitly is a level at which vendors become move exceptionally dynamic and for the most part, prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which truly shows that yet prior to jumping truly profound into the Doge specialized examination. Let us discuss the in every way that really matters, current economic situations in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin value examination Doge cost examination for 20 January 2024, inside a genuinely everyday time period, sort of made sense of underneath. Exhibiting that following especially are the help and opposition levels of Dogecoin, Doge, Dogecoin execution. The cost of Dogecoin, Doge, especially is at $0.079, up 1.7% in the beyond 24 hours, and in a real sense, has a value change of 1.04% over the course of the week. Extremely further appearance how similarly, obstruction in every way that really matters is a level at which merchants truly become move sort of dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which basically shows that yet prior to jumping genuinely profound into the Doge specialized investigation, generally let us truly discuss the ongoing economic situations in a huge manner. We utilize truly relative strength index RSI, moving commonly normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including kind of basic moving sort of normal, SMA, and dramatic moving pretty normal, EMA, to generally investigate the future development of the Dogecoin, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. While Doge's Williams %R pointer by and large is at 58.383 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. A exchange really signal fundamentally is especially conceivable at this reach, exhibiting that one-day exchanging volume for BTC generally is 338,254,756.00 United States dollars, while in every practical sense, all-out market cap came to $11,325,108,239 United States dollars, or so they especially thought. The MACD line in every practical sense is remaining beneath of the kind of sine line after a hybrid, so furthermore, XRP came to 55 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0% in esteem, which in every way that really matters shows that Dogecoin cost examination explicitly is bullish today, truly in spite of prevalent